In this video, I'm taking a quick look and unboxing of the AUKEY 18-watt USB-C wall adapter. Hi, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm taking a look at this AUKEY 18-watt power wall charger that can be used for pretty much any device that has a USB-C or has a USB-C cord on it. I just wanted to thank AUKEY for providing this to the channel. I was selected to do this as part of their Team Techie program. So basically to review and give feedback on some of their devices. And like I said, this is an 18-watt power cube, power brick, whatever you want to call it, for, I guess, smartphones for the most part, I would say. And I got this in black. And we're basically just going to take a quick look and do an unboxing of this, as well as just a test to see, to see how it works, I guess, right? So just a quick test. It's not too complicated. Obviously, it's a wall charger. So we'll just take a look at the device and kind of go from there. So I'm just going to open this up. So it's kind of wrapped in this shrink wrap plastic as part of the packaging. Little box. I'll open it up. Basically have the adapter itself here. And basically have a little user manual. Not super complicated, right? You just plug it in and plug it in. Yeah, so user manual that you probably don't really need. And then this looks like both a sticker and kind of a cool, so basically sticker and the 24-month product warranty. So that's nice, 2 years warranty. Okay, like I said, here's the power adapter. A little bit of a plastic on that. I can. First thing I'll say is, I mean, it feels pretty solid, pretty heavy, nice gloss black. What I like about this is it has kind of like the flip out wall adapter plug. So it's kind of Apple-esque in that way, right? So Apple usually on their MacBook Pro chargers has the little flip out thing. So that's actually pretty cool. That's one of the things, like if you're carrying an Apple one around and the prongs are sticking out all the time from like your iPhone or whatever. Same thing with the Samsung Galaxy Note. If I ever put it in my bag, it's nice that that kind of folds down, kind of removes that thing sticking out. So basically, yeah. So I mean, I'm assuming this is going to work. So we'll plug this in and just validate that it works with my phone. Okay, so I plugged the adapter in, and here is plug. And as you can see, it is fast charging. So it does work, and it does fast charge. So we'll show that again, I guess. If I turn off the screen from here, plug it in. This is fast charge. I don't know if you can see that. Fast charge 93%. Yeah. Yeah, so all in all, this looks like a really great option. Again, it's 18-watt output and should work on anything obviously that has a USB-C. So again, this is the AUKEY 18-watt wall adapter, USB-C wall adapter, wall charger. And I will test this out over the next week or so and add any updates to the video and on YouTube if I run into any problems. But as far as I can tell, it feels well made. It works with my Galaxy Note 9, and I don't assume that there will be any problems because it's a wall charger. I don't think much can go wrong with it. It feels like it's built well, and like I said, I'll keep you updated if there's any issues. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.